Hello, good day. Welcome back to Galaxy Academy. So if you are new here, you are very welcome, and we really appreciate you. We just need a couple of seconds for you, and we will make sure that we make you very happy. And if you are coming back, we are really grateful for your hard work and all the things you are doing to us. So without wasting much time, today we are going to discuss on what L.C.M. L.C.M. Many people have been saying L.C.M, but they think it's hard. So in this place, remember, in Galaxy Academy, we teach what they don't teach you in school. So without wasting much time, we are going to move directly to the introduction. L.C.M. Let's start with the full meaning. What do we mean by L.C.M? L.C.M is the full meaning. That is what least common multiple. So people use lower to use least. So it's all the same thing. Least common multiple, lower common multiple is the same thing. So moving to the definition, we have what least common multiple is. What is the smallest number that two or more number can divide into exactly without remainder. This is a simple definition that you will ever see about L.C.M. So let me use another proper way to explain it to you. Let's say, for example, they ask you to find the L.C.M of 2 and 3. So in another word, what they are trying to say is what? Find a particular number that 2 will enter, 3 will enter at the same time without remainder. Do you know what that means? You have many infinite numbers, because numbers like 6, 2 and 3 can enter. Numbers like 12, 2 and 6 can enter. 2 and 3 can enter. Numbers like 18, 2 and 3 can enter. Numbers like 30, numbers like 60, numbers like 90, numbers like 120, many numbers 2 and 3 can enter together without remainder. But in this, whenever they say L.C.M, they are looking for what? The least among them. So all these numbers you are going to what? You are going to consider it as what? Common multiple. They are all common multiple. Then the least among them, which is what? The smallest, you'll find out that is 6. So we are going to move to what? Practical aspect. I just want to explain it to you in a layman language that you understand. When people used to say, what is the real life situation? All these things we are doing, we don't know what is the real life, what is it? So Class CV got you covered. So whenever we say what? Real life situation, when we compare real life with what? L.C.M, this is a little example that will explain it to you, and you will understand it very well. Here they say an example of what real life situation. They say what? If there is a boss in which it comes to a particular place after every 4 minutes, and another one used to come back what? After every 6 minutes. So they may ask you, when do you think that these two bosses will come and meet together? This one is coming after 4 minutes, and the other one is coming after 6 minutes. So the particular time that the two of them will come and meet together is the same. So you see, is it not related to your real life situation? It's related, of course. So this is why we say all these things are what related to your real life situation. So without wasting much time, we're going to move directly towards some examples under this. And in this place, I will solve some questions, allow you to solve some questions, and then from there, I will give you assignment and class. So the first question here, they say what? L.C.M of 2 and 3. The second one, L.C.M of 4 and 6. Okay, I will solve these two. Then I will give you the remaining as assignment or class. So we are going to. So bringing you back to my board. The question says find the L.C.M of 2 and 3. The second one is 4 and 6. So how do you do it? You find with what? You start with what? Multiple. Remember, L.C.M is least common multiple. So you are starting from what? From last, which is multiple, then move to what? The middle one, which is common, then least. We are starting from end to beginning. So we start by what? The first one, which says what? L.C.M of 2 and 3. So you see, this is why I write 2 and 3. So you start with what? Multiples of 2. So multiples of 2, we have numbers like 4, we have 6, we have 8, we have 10, we have 12, we have 14, we have 16. This is how it will continue on and on. Please don't mind my writing, because my little board, this is how we usually do it. So then the multiple of 3, we have what? 6, we have 9, we have what? 12, we have what? 15, we have what? 18, we have what? 21, right? We have what? 24, we have what? 27. This is how it will also continue going till. So we are not interested in all those ones, because I can see we will get what we have. So we are done with what? All this one we are done with what? Multiple. We are done with M. Then we move to what? To C, which is what? Common. What is common here? We are looking for what is common in these two things? 2, multiple of 2 and multiple of what? 3. So we are going to cycle it. You see, C is common here, 6 is common here, we have 6 here, we also have 6. I can see 12 also is common. We have 12 here, we have 12, right? They are common. Then I can see if we continue to move further, you will see 18 should be common, and many numbers like 24 will be common. All those numbers, even 30 will also be common, but we are not interested in this. So we are moving to what? The lowest among them. So you see all these numbers that I cycle, we have 6, we have 12, we will have 18 in the future, we'll also have 24, we'll have this, how it will continue going, but the least among them is what? 6. So therefore the LCM of what? 2 and 3 is going to be 6. Hope I didn't confuse this. Very simple and very interesting. So we are done with this. Then we move to what? The next one, LCM of what? 4 and 6. So if I say LCM of 4 and 6 is very simple, just like that of how do we call it? 2 and 3. Here we have 4, we have 6. We are also looking for the multiple. Here you have the first multiple is what? 8. You have 12. You have what? All the numbers that, please, whenever they say multiple, are all the numbers that what? 4 can enter. Multiple of 6 are all the numbers that 6 can enter. Very good. Thank you very much. So this one we have what? We have 20. We have 24. We have 28. This is how we will continue going. Here we have what? We have 12. We have 18. We have what? Blah 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 blah. We have 24. We have 30. We have 36. We have 42. This is how we'll continue going. So here we are talking about what? L.C.M. So here we are going to what? Cycle all the common factors. So we are done with M, please. We are done with multiple. Then the common multiple, the C is going to be what? We have common here. This is common here. This is also common here. Yes, we have another common here. This is common here, and 24 is also common. So in the future you will see you have here, you have the numbers that are common. You have 12. You have what? 24. In the future you'll have what? You are going to have 36. You are going to have many of what? This kind of numbers. But in LCM we are looking for what? The least among them. So the least, which is the lowest, is what? 12. So the answer is 12. So thank you very much. Without further ado, we are going to go back to our normal book. Okay, oh yeah. So from here, then I will say we are closing by. I will allow you to do this. And please, all this note I have full and complete of it, well defined, well explained, and well everything. Certain here, if you follow this video step by step, you will see everything. You can see it. So we just move to that place to have just a little explanation practical, so that you can see how we do it together. So remember the conclusion of this. In conclusion, we will say what? LCM is just common one. After finding the thing that you do, you start by what? Getting the common multiples. After finding the common multiples, look at it, small one, small among the common multiples, then you are having your LCM. So thank you very much. We are going to stop here. Thank you very much till we meet. Bye.